What's the best way to move a shed? How do you move a storage shed? Today, I'm gonna have my shed moved and I'm gonna show you how I do that and explain to you what you need to do to prepare to move a shed. This is my storage shed. It's 8 foot wide by 16 foot long. I just finished spray foaming it. If you want to see the video on how I spray foamed it, what product I used, definitely check out the link in the description for that video to learn how to spray foam your shed. The rollback will be here in a minute. So we're going to use a rollback. That is the best option for moving a shed. It's going to make it the easiest, the smoothest. What you want to do is you want to make sure the shed is empty. Now I've got a couple things inside the shed, but they shouldn't make a lot of noise or fall around because they're quite heavy. But you want to make sure that you actually take everything out of your shed. So I did take a few things out, but I'll show you what's in here. I got a metal rack in here. It should not move. And I've got this little dresser here. So those are the two things I'm going to leave in the shed. It should be fine. And the reason I'm moving the shed is because I just finished building a dual access solar tracker made by EcoWorthy. Go check out that video in the link in the description if you want to learn how to build one of those. But Signature Solar, I've got a little kit, a solar kit, and I'm going to place my battery in here. And I need somewhere to store it, so that's the reason I'm moving my shed down to my homestead area. So I'll have a place to put the battery, the combiner, the inverter, and all that. And then I'll be able to mount a couple lights that will be powered by solar, mount my camera system that'll be powered by solar. If you want to see that, definitely stay tuned for the coming videos, because as soon as I move this shed today, I'm going to be building out my little solar system. So if you want to know how, stay tuned. When the rollback gets here, then we'll do a little video update. All right? Rollback's pulling up. I'm going to back up to the shed. Backing it up. Taking off the side rails, getting ready. Taking the rest of these rails and the sides off. Almost got them all off. There was 4 total. All right, so now he's adjusting the bed forward and then tilting it. Nice. Get a rollback. Best way to move a shed. Got some chains with some hooks. Yeah. Chain hooked around both of those boards, those runners underneath the shed. Awesome. Oh, okay. Got the winch, getting some slack, attaching the hook to each side of the chains attached to the runners. Awesome. Pulling the slack out. Just like that. This is the way to do it right here. So there's controls over here for the bed, there's controls over there for the winch. And that shed is 16 foot long. Like a glove. It's on there. Looks like he's gonna pull it up some more. Best way to move a shed. And now I got more room to put other stuff. Yay. Securing the shed from the bottom. All right, got it tight here in the back area. Z was able to adjust this, put some tension on it. All right, we're ready to go. Awesome. Slowly but surely he's making his way here. He's watching for all the tree limbs. That's good. So here's the pad that I've got. I leveled it up with some gravel, some chert, and then I've got 3 treated 2 by 12 by 12 foot boards. I tie them together with a couple 2x4s. I'm gonna have him back up right here. There he comes. All right, let's get it centered up. All right, took the chains off of the back area, so almost ready to set it. That is perfect. All right, so he's got the back part setting on the gravel, and now he's just pulling out from under it. Taking the chains loose. got the level on it. Look at that. That ain't bad. Of course, this is only like a 2-foot level, but that ain't bad.
That's good.
All right, deal. All right, so that's the best way to move a shed. You get somebody who owns a rollback, and I got somebody who owned a rollback, and they helped me to be able to move my shed. It's moved now, and it looks like it's slightly going downhill a little bit, so that's okay. I'll probably lift it up and maybe put another board in the front area, but just want to do a short video on how to move a shed. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll help you move your shed.